Let's organize our workspace in this video. In order to work efficiently, you need an organized workspace. So, by default, you will get only the Getting Started tools, this one. But we are going to organize it a little bit different. By the way, after watching this video, you will also be able to design it in your way. So, in order to organize, first go to View, click on Toolbars, and from here, we are going to add some toolbars. What I actually do is, I just uncheck the Getting Started set, and place the large toolbar set. That's because the same tools are also available on the large toolbar set. And after that, let's place the sections, the standard tools, the styles, the shadows, the views, the locations, text. So, if you're using an older version, it is actually called layers. But in the newer versions, they have actually changed the name into tags. Let's close this. Let's do one more thing. Then we are ready to get started. Go to Window, then Preferences. Click on Workspace. I don't really like these large toolbar buttons. So let's just uncheck it from here. Then click on OK. And after that, what you will notice that all the icons will automatically get smaller, which actually looks better than the previous one. By the way, you can also click and drag them to place them somewhere else. So these settings will stay consistent from now. So one last thing, if the default trace isn't showing, you can go to Window, then Default Trace, and after that you can click on Show Trace.